Welcome to Best Electronics. Mini Portable Handheld Desk Air Conditioner. Features: portable and mini and lightweight. Excellent cooling performance. Air conditioner cooling system. A strap for easy carry. Built-in rechargeable lithium battery. Adjustable stainless steel holder. Water-cooled sponge. Convenience to clean. Anti-dust design. Easy to operate. Long lifetime. Size 1050 mm. Fan speed single gear. Rotary vane quantity 6. Max power 100 W. If you don't receive your order, you will get full refund. Visit the description link and get this product from AliExpress. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. And please share this video with your friends and family.